Finley, it's amazing! Wow! It's so big and sparkly! Look, Fairy May! Look, Fairy May! It's the biggest anthill ever! Oh, Finley, it's magnificent! So many little homes! And so busy! Watch this, Finley. Wow! What did you do? Just a little fairy magic. That's amazing! Look, Finley! The wish magic is working! Wow! It's so bright and sparkly! We're in a magic bubble! Oh my! Look what's happening! Wow! We're tiny and the grass is huge! This is amazing! Wow! A fairy! I'm Finley. Hello, Finley. Welcome to the Enchanted Forest. I'm Fairy May. I've never seen anything so big. Me neither. It's incredible. And so beautiful. It's like a dream come true. Look, Fairy May. A real cavern entrance. Imagine the treasure inside. Oh, Finley, it's marvelous. Let's go in. I can't wait. Do you think we should go in? We've come this far. Let's do it. Oh my goodness, it's so big! Hello there, are you friendly? See, I told you it was just saying hi. Wow, it wants to shake hands. He thinks you're great. Oh, hello there, little ant. Aren't you a braver one? Wow, she's talking to it. Yes, they're friendly. Want to say hello? I sure do. Hi there, tiny buddy. Wow, look at that. It's so bright. I've never seen anything like it. Where does it lead? This way, follow me. Look at this! It feels so smooth! It's like a path of light! It's amazing, May! You've never seen anything like it, have you? I told you I'd find a way out. See that? It goes right to the surface! Oh, Finley, that's the most brilliant thing I've ever seen! You're a genius! Isn't this incredible, Finley? They're like a tiny magical civilization! Wow, Fairy May, I've never seen anything like this. Look at them all working together. Look, Finley, a sparkly trail. Wow, Fairy May, it's glowing. What is it? It's magic. Maybe it will lead us somewhere amazing. Come on, see? I told you it would work. Wow. Finley, it's so beautiful. They'll find their way home now. You're a hero. Look, Finley, the trail is getting brighter. It's like it knows we're here to help. Oh, careful there, little guy. Are you okay? Tee-hee-hee. That was silly. Don't worry, I'll help you. Here's your berry back. Hooray! Oh, Finley, look! They're linking together! Whoa! That's incredible, Fairy May. How are they doing that? See? Together, like the ants, we can build something amazing. Oh, Finley, it's truly wonderful. Keep close, Finley. We're almost there. I'm right behind you, May. You're doing great. We made it! Yes, we did! That was amazing! Wow, Finley, look at this! It's even more magical than I imagined, Fairy May. I know, right? It's like a fairy tale. It is! I've never seen anything so beautiful. Look at them, Finley! They're so strong! Yes, they are. Their hard work is truly inspiring. The cave is shaking! What is happening? Look out! Rocks are falling! Hang on to me! I've got you! I'm scared, Finley! Don't worry, May. We'll be okay. Oh, my! Look, Finley! The tunnel is blocked! It's okay, Fairy May. Let's find a way to move it. Look, Finley! The tunnel! Whoa, Fairy May! That twig is enormous! How did it get there? We have to move it. The others need us. Don't worry, little ones. We're here to help. This should keep you safe. Follow me. That's it, Finley. They're calming down. Got them. Thanks, Fairy May. You were amazing. Wow, it's so big and bumpy. Let me think. It feels really old. I've got it. I know how to move it. Oh no, it's too big. Wait, I've got it. We can roll it this way. That's brilliant. You can do it, little ones. Over here, gather round. Just a little further. You're doing great. Come on, join the circle. We need you. Look, Finley, they did it. The trail. It's broken. How will we ever get home? Don't worry, Finley. I can fix it. You can? Really? Yes, watch. Keep your focus, Finley. Let's make this trail shine. Wow, it's working, Fairy May. Now, guide it this way. Come on, little guys. Follow the light. This way, everyone. You're doing great. Just right down here, step by step. Look at them go. Good job. Look, the ants are ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, ready. 2, focus. 1, deep breath. Go. Here goes. It's moving. They're doing it. Yes. Keep going. You can do it. Come on, Finley. Let's help them. Right behind you, May. Push hard. We can do it! Yes, we did it! We did it! We actually did it! Isn't this just the most wonderful celebration? Wow, look at them go! I can't believe it! We're all so happy you're here to share this with us. It's an honor to meet you, Commander.
The honor is ours, brave traveler.
We pledge our friendship to you.
And we to the Ant Kingdom.
I've got it! Look what I found! Wow. Ready? Ready! I see something amazing! Wow, it's really working! Look at that! It's so beautiful! Wow! Look at us! We're big again! This is amazing! We made it! Look at them all, working so hard together. It's amazing how much they've built. We should always remember to be kind to them.